The weekend brought a joyous occasion as Lord Vivian, a figure deeply entwined with Prince Harry's past, celebrated his marriage to Saweda Kamara. The ceremony, held at Chelsea Old Town Hall in London, was followed by a reception at the Nomad Hotel. Yet amidst the festivities, a notable absence cast a shadow over the celebration. Prince Harry, once a familiar face in such circles, was conspicuously missing from the event. This absence, while attributed to ongoing security concerns, speaks volumes about the complex reality of the Duke of Sussex's current relationship with his homeland, and those within it. The absence was particularly poignant given Harry's close ties to Lord Vivian. Their friendship, spanning many years, has been a source of support and camaraderie for the prince. Lord Vivian, a constant presence in Harry's life, stood by him during his wedding to Meghan Markle in 2018. He was a pillar of strength during those tumultuous times when the couple navigated the challenges of royal life and public scrutiny. His absence from this significant event speaks to the depth of the situation Harry currently faces. The primary reason for Prince Harry's absence can be traced back to the ongoing legal battle he is waging against the UK Home Office. At the heart of this dispute lies the issue of security. Since stepping back from their roles as senior royals in 2020, Harry and Meghan have been stripped of their taxpayer-funded police protection in the UK. This decision, made by the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures, or RAVEC, has left Harry feeling vulnerable and unable to guarantee the safety of himself and his family during visits to his homeland. Harry's legal team argues that RAVEC failed to adequately assess the threats he faces, bypassing the Risk Management Board in the process. They contend that Harry's unique circumstances, including his high profile and the persistent threats he receives, necessitate a higher level of protection than what is currently offered. The Home Office, however, maintains that RAVEC's decision was based on a thorough assessment of Harry's security needs. They argue that the tailored approach offered to Harry is sufficient to mitigate any potential risks. Lord Vivian, for his part, has remained tight-lipped about Harry's absence. When questioned by reporters, he simply stated that Harry had a lot on. This understated response speaks volumes about the understanding and discretion that defines their friendship. It suggests that Lord Vivian is aware of the pressures and complexities Harry faces, and respects his decision to prioritize his safety and well-being. The depth of their bond is evident in their shared history. Lord Vivian was not merely a guest at Harry and Meghan's wedding, he was an integral part of the celebration, a testament to the trust and affection they share. His presence at such a pivotal moment in Harry's life underscored the enduring nature of their friendship. This bond, forged over years of shared experiences, has weathered many storms and remains a source of support for both men. Lord Vivian's wedding is not the first significant event that Harry has missed due to his security concerns. In 2024, he was notably absent from the wedding of Hugh Grosvenor, the Duke of Westminster, and godfather to Harry's son Archie. This decision, reportedly made mutually by the two friends, highlighted the difficult choices Harry faces as he navigates his new life outside the royal fold. These absences, while understandable given the circumstances, underscore the personal sacrifices Harry has made since stepping back from royal life. They also serve as a stark reminder of the ongoing tensions within the royal family, and the deep divisions that continue to separate Harry from his past. The security issue has become a significant point of contention between Harry and his father, King Charles. While the king has no direct authority over RAVEC's decisions, Harry reportedly believes that his father could intervene on his behalf. This belief stems from the perception that Charles, as head of state, holds considerable influence within the government, and could potentially sway the decision in Harry's favor. This perceived lack of support from his father has further strained their already fragile relationship. The rift between them, which deepened following Harry and Meghan's decision to step back from royal duties, remains a source of sadness and frustration for both parties. Their last known meeting, which took place in February 2024 following Charles's cancer diagnosis, did little to bridge the divide. Section 6. Legal battles and personal costs. The ongoing legal battle over his security arrangements is just one of the many challenges Harry faces as he carves out a new life for himself and his family in California. The financial burden of providing private security, the emotional toll of being separated from his loved ones, and the constant scrutiny of the media all take their toll. Despite these challenges, Harry remains resolute in his fight for the security he believes his family deserves. He is determined to ensure that his children, Archie and Lilibet, can experience the joys of getting to know their British heritage without being subjected to unnecessary risks. This determination speaks to his unwavering commitment to his family and his desire to create a safe and stable environment for them to thrive. Section 7. A question of safety and family. The lack of adequate security arrangements has far-reaching implications for Harry's relationship with his homeland. It prevents him from bringing his wife and children to the UK, robbing them of the opportunity to connect with their heritage and build relationships with their extended family. The situation is a source of great sadness for Harry, who cherishes his British roots and wants his children to experience the same upbringing he had. This enforced separation highlights the complexities of Harry's current situation. While he has embraced his new life in California, he remains deeply connected to his homeland and the people he left behind. The security issue serves as a constant reminder of the rift that exists between him and his family and the challenges he faces in bridging that divide. Section 8. A separate legal triumph. While the legal battle over his UK security continues, Harry has achieved a significant victory on a different front. He recently settled a case against News Group newspapers for an undisclosed sum reported to exceed $12 million. This victory, stemming from allegations of illegal information gathering, marks a significant win for Harry in his ongoing fight for privacy and accountability from the British tabloid press. This legal triumph, while unrelated to his security concerns, underscores Harry's commitment to holding those in power accountable for their actions. It also highlights his willingness to fight for what he believes in, even when faced with formidable opponents. This unwavering determination is a testament to his character and his belief in the importance of justice and fairness. Section 9. The future of relationships. As Harry navigates the complexities of his new life, the future of his relationships with his family and his homeland remains uncertain. The security issue, a constant source of tension and frustration, continues to cast a shadow over these relationships. Whether a resolution can be found that addresses both Harry's security concerns and the UK government's position remains to be seen. Despite the challenges, there is hope that time and understanding can heal the rifts that have emerged. The love and shared history that bind this family together run deep. Perhaps with open communication and a willingness to compromise, a path forward can be found that allows Harry to reconnect with his homeland and loved ones while ensuring the safety and well-being of his own family.